Hello folks, what I'm doing right now, I'm finished my extension of a muffler pipe. I do have my weld gun, and what I have to do, I have to do couple tab. And sure, Papa talks too much, I have to cover myself against falling sparks. How it looks like firework. Now I have to move to another side. I'm not stopping camera. I think I may relocate you for a better view. Okay, right now you do see the whole extension pipe. Okay? And I'm coming to another side to do a tug welding. And the best way to hold protection mat by my mouse. Oh, maybe like that I place it. Okay. I think I'm good. Okay, folks, I think I'm done. Let me show a result of my smoking business. This is the whole pipe. And it goes out, and if I need... Okay, this is my minus clamp. Let me stand up, and we will pray for Jesus that will work. All right, it looks like that way. And we will see what's going on overdrive. Showing what I did. So original pipe was ending over here, and when I drove at a lower speed, the whole accumulation of gases, if wind blow from a back, was here, and it gets through vents into a cab. What I did, you see, I add aluminum extension, and what I have to put secondary safety clamp to here. Now I do have two clamps. And if I need welding later, I could do that at any time, removing clamps, and I'm very comfortable. Let me show you inside. That inside view of the pipe. Folks, thanks for watching. Now we get people with the tanks and we go underwater.